We'll guide you through how to automate tasks using Zapier AI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Head over to the top navigation bar and click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. You'll start by selecting a trigger app. Let's say you want to automate an email task. You can choose Gmail from the list of apps. Once you've selected Gmail, you'll need to specify a trigger event, like receiving a new email. Zapier will guide you through connecting your Gmail account. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. Just follow the prompts to grant access. After setting up the trigger, it's time to choose an action app. This could be something like Slack if you want to send a notification every time you receive an important email. Select Slack and choose an action event, like sending a channel message. You'll need to connect your Slack account similarly to how you connected Gmail. Once both apps are connected and configured, you'll see a quick summary of the Zap you're about to create. Make sure everything looks good, then click on the Turn on Zap button. Your automation is now live. From now on, whenever you receive an email that matches your criteria, a message will be automatically posted in your Slack channel. This is just one example of countless automations you can set up with Zapier AI. You can explore various apps and find new ways to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.